Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics in HotJar on your website so that you know how your users are interacting with it and you can start making changes accordingly. First, you're going to go to Google Analytics, and if you don't have an account yet, which I'm guessing you don't, you just go to analytics.google.com. Mine's automatically going to go to my account, so let me show you in an incognito window. And once you're here, it's gonna ask you to sign in, blah blah blah. Then you log into your Google account, you go to the admin section. Then if you don't have any accounts, you create a new account. It's simple. You just type in your information, account name, website name, URL. If you have one, I believe you don't need to. The industry, and then you get your tracking ID. And also remember to set your time zone. Okay, so once you create your account, you're gonna have this view over here. And the first thing you need to do is you go to tracking info, and you go to property settings. From here, you need to set your industry category. I think you did. Then you enable the demographics and interest reports, use enhanced link attribution, and enable user metric and reporting. Then you also need to collect, I believe you go to tracking info and tracking code. Nope, not there. Alright, so this is it. Yeah, just go right here, and those are all the settings you need for now. From there, I'm sorry, you go to tracking info. I'm sorry, to get the tracking code, click into here, copy it, then go to your website, and you're gonna paste this before the closing head tag of your website. So you see mine's right there, and then paste right there, save. And now we're gonna go to HotJar. Same thing again, just sign up for an account. You don't have to put in your credit card information right away, because they have the free option of up to, I think, 2,000 recordings. That's what they do. And then you're gonna go up, well, you set up your organization like that, at new site, or at, yeah. So you go to at new site, website, site owner, site type, and that's it. So sites and organizations. On here's where you can create a new organization. So if you have, let's say maybe you have a lot of businesses, you want to set up a new organization for each business to keep yourself organized. But anyways, you're probably just gonna have one site, and then you just set it up right there. Okay, so you're gonna go to tracking. Mine has a check sign because mine's already enabled, but if you have an X, then that's where you should click on. Copy this to your clipboard, and then you're also gonna paste it right above your head tag. Then save that, and that's it. Always make sure you have the right organization and the right site, otherwise you're gonna be gathering the wrong information And to verify the installation, you type in your domain and then verify. And that's it. And that's all you need to worry about right now if you just got your website. And then you can start looking into other marketing aspects. But what this is going to do is going to allow you to gather information that you need